this platform called YouTube, and I promise you that I am going to make lots of videos. If you are commenting me the topics, I am going to talk on that also. Today especially I am here to talk on a topic called motivation. We all know that there are two kinds of motivation. One is internal motivation, the another one is external motivation. All somehow some way we heard that I am unable to get motivated, I am unable to stay motivated forever. The reason is because we totally depend on the external motivation. If you are totally believing on external motivation, if you want to see videos, if you want to keep on listening the motivational speaker, that's all about temporary sake. You can motivate it just for 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 months. After that, the motivation will going to be vanished like anything. So guys, please try to build up your own motivation. Try to build up your self motivation. That is something called internal motivation. If you are involved, if you are creating such kind of motivation in yourself, at the time I can bet you that no one can stop you from doing your things, doing whatever maybe you believe that success is. Maybe the success is earning lots of money. Maybe for some people the success is being happy in their life. Maybe achieving the goals is they feel like success. And whatever may be the thing, you have to keep on working on your self motivation. If you are not feeling like you are not a self motivated person, at that time you totally have to depend on the external motivation, which is totally bad for you. External motivation, if we watch videos, if we listen to motivational speech and many more stuff, we will get external motivation and we can perform some activities. I am not telling that it is totally wrong. It is okay if you are using it, if you are using it in a proper manner. Anyhow, we got to know what is meant by external motivation, and even we got to know that we have to work on our self motivation or internal motivation, because it is going to be with us for a long period of time. We can stay productive, we can stay motivated forever. But the question is that how to be a self-motivated person, or how to create self-motivation or internal motivation in ourselves. You have to adapt, you have to implement some of the basic few tips which I am going to share with you now. But before going to share with you those tips, I am going to tell you, please subscribe my channel, like the button, and please comment your valuable feedback. So I was telling you that I'm going to share some of the points by that you can learn how to focus on your inner motivation. The first and foremost thing is you have to see whether you have a goal or not. Everyone has a goal. I believe that maybe they may feel that this is too small or this is too big, whatever may be the thing. I'm going to tell about this small and big in another video, but still there you have to believe that you have a goal, and you have to work on those goals which your heart is going to tell 1% also that you have a goal, this is your goal. Then you should start working on that. If you have a proper goal, if you have a goal, maybe small or big, if you are having a goal, then you should start doing the things. If you have a goal, that's not enough to get self-motivated, but to get self-motivation, you have to work some more. That is something called, you have to collect knowledge, you have to collect information about your goal. Maybe your goal is to become something, maybe your goal is to earn something, or maybe your goal is to do some businesses, or you want to be entrepreneur, and many things are there in nature. So if you want to become anything, you have to just focus on collecting information. Let's take an example of me itself. As I am making a video, before creating a channel, I got lots of questions, lots of things in my mind, and I cleared all those things, and I collected the information about YouTube and how it works, and many more stuff about YouTube and how it's if you are collecting the information, if you are getting the interest, then you will get a power to do it. You will get an ability that I can do it. If you are feeling like you can do it, you are getting a power. Once you are getting an ability that I can do it, then definitely you will get something called confidence in you. When you get confident, when you are going to boost up like anything, then definitely you are going to take an initiative. In my case as well, I have taken an initiative that I should make a video, and finally my video came out. After that, you are going to create some sort of changes. Changes is the ability, changes is the power, changes is the confidence which you have, which shows up by creating lots of different things in your own field. After getting change, definitely you are going to one day you are going to master in what your goal is. You are going to master in what your work is. Everything, maybe you can consider n number of things which you are going to do it. If once you started changing yourself, once you started updating yourself, at the time the changes are natural process in you. In the same sense,